Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect any smartwatch with your mobile phone. First, make sure your smartwatch has at least 50% battery life. Next, download the specific companion application for your watch from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone to prepare for pairing. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, let's move on to pairing. Open the companion app you just downloaded and look for an option to add new device or pair a smartwatch. Your phone will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Select your smartwatch from the list that appears. A unique pairing code, usually a 6-digit number, will be displayed on both your phone and watch. Confirm this code on both devices to establish a secure connection. Once paired, you'll need to configure your smartwatch. The companion app will likely request several permissions, such as access to notifications, contacts, and location. Grant these to ensure all features work correctly. This is also the time to personalize your watch face, set notification preferences, and explore other functionalities like fitness tracking goals or mobile payment options. Take a few minutes to tailor it to your daily needs. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common fix is to simply restart both your mobile phone and smartwatch. Also, ensure your devices are within a close range, ideally less than 10 meters, for a stable Bluetooth connection. Regularly update your smartwatch's firmware and the companion app to benefit from the latest features and bug fixes. These simple steps can resolve most connectivity problems and enhance your experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.